Welcome to the third part of the Tips and Tricks series. Today I'll show you the third part of the series of computer tips and tricks. In this video, I will show you 5 tricks of the computer. I bet most of you don't know this trick before. Watch till the end and tell me if you know a few of them already or all of them. Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from us. Let's begin. Trick number 1. How to close tabs. If you want to use your computer like a pro, or you want to grab the attention of your friends, you shouldn't have to use your mouse. Instead, use your keyboard. For closing a tab from the keyboard, just press the Ctrl key plus the W key together. And you are done. If you want to earn a high amount of money with affiliate marketing with a 30% to 50% commission rate, access the playlist from the I button. Trick number 2. Reopen a recently closed tab. While surfing the internet, you can open any tab that has been closed by mistake. You just have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. You can also reopen it by right-click on the title bar and select Reopen Closed Tab as shown above. Trick number 3. Secret Mode. For private browsing, you can enable Secret, Incognito, mode, where Chrome will not keep your browsing or download history. You can enable secret mode by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N, or go to Settings, click New Incognito window, or you can select Open Link in Incognito window with the right mouse click. Discover new ways to earn money. Access the playlist from the I button. Trick number 4. Open websites when the computer starts. Everyone wants to save a bit of time. You don't need to open your browser and then type the website name which you want to open. All you have to do is open the Startup folder, open Run with the help of the Window key plus R. Then type shell colon startup. Here, you need to create a shortcut file, so right-click on the blank space, click on a shortcut. Now type the name of that website, like facebook.com, now type the name for reference. And you are done. When you turn on the computer next time, you will see that your browser automatically opens with Facebook in a tab. Trick number 5. Going back to the previous page. No one wants to use the mouse again and again for going back. So here is the solution for lazy peoples, or you can say for smart peoples. All you have to do is press the Alt key which presents on the left side, and with that key press the left arrow key for going back. So that is for today. Hope you like the video. Share the video with your friends and loved ones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have any query, ask me in the comment section. See you in the next part of the series. Goodbye. Take care.